Prince William headed out to see construction workers for a poignant reason. The Prince of Wales, 41, sat down with builders on a site in West London on Wednesday to talk about the prevalence of suicide in the construction industry. As well as talking to the workers about the challenges they face, he also heard from mental health charity Mates in Mind about the work that they're doing to support employers and organizations like contractors, supply chains and policymakers to provide the change that is needed to improve mental well-being in the sector. Workers in construction are at some of the highest risk of suicide in the country, with rates in the industry over 3 times higher than the national average. Two years ago, 507 construction workers died by suicide in the UK, Prince William's office at Kensington Palace said in a statement. Prince William's visit comes in the week of World Suicide Prevention Day, marked on Sept. 10. Suicide is the largest killer of men under the age of 35, and William has committed himself to highlighting the issue and what can be done to prevent it. As an air ambulance helicopter pilot, William and his fellow crew members witnessed cases of suicide, and he has spoken about the resulting trauma. One of his first calls in his job at East Anglia's Air Ambulance Service was to a young man who had committed suicide. Why Kate Middleton had bandaged fingers at latest engagement. Hint: it has to do with her kids. The charity Mates in Mind has pioneered work with construction companies to both improve mental health in the sector and to recognize the particular pressures faced by construction workers. Prince William was told about a partnership that places a strong focus on promoting the implementation of proactive strategies that see companies supporting their employees' mental health by identifying and addressing issues early. Mates in Mind runs workshops and training on construction sites that help improve understanding and awareness of mental health. Prince William's visit took place as Prince Harry and Meghan Markle were supporting veterans at the Invictus Games in Germany. And it came a day after his wife, Kate Middleton, visited a men's prison to highlight how incarceration can begin with addiction. A charity she supports, the Forward Trust, helps those in the criminal justice system manage and recover from addiction.